In the red corner, we have mixed martial artist, Moron Traffic, making his debut in this GFC. And young, Golem, Asito!
Whoa!
In the blue corner, we have a mixed martial artist, having a background on karate and taekwondo. Making his debut in GFC, Hans Ero Flashlight Nicolas! Let's do this fight!
And here comes with the touch glove. Both seems to be fierce and ready. Whoa! Ilya with a cross. Hans cornered in the walls. Ilya pressuring Hans. Launching attacks fiercely. Hans kicked. Oh! Hans is in the corner. Oh! Oh! Some barrage attacks from Ilya. Hans fighting back. Okay. Both are being strategically smart. Ilya with the grappling. Here he comes. He got his foot. Pag na yung dalawa. Ayan na. Hans trying to fight back. Pero mukhang di na kaya ni Hans.
Down to 1 minute.
So, ito si Ilyam is...
Gypsy Mini?
Si Ilyam is ay student ni Giancarlo Balenya. Sponsored by Giancarlo Balenya. Ay. Both seems to hold the position. Ilyam doesn't let go of Hans' feet. Ay, legs pala. Hans are tired to punch. They're both holding their positions. Parehas na fighter ay pagod na.
Kung pwede mo i-zoom in, i-zoom mo naman kami.
Hindi, gusto ko talaga lumakad.
Down to 3 minutes. Asan mo? Ano mo kasi?
Ay,
Ang gulo naman dalawa.
yan na. Okay. Nothing is actually happening, pero mukhang nalusot ni Hans yung kanyang kamay sa ulo ni Ilyam.
Hans.
Yan.
Come on! Walang mangyayari. Wala pa rin nangyayari.
Walang coach yan. Walang coach yan. Kaya nga yung wala kang coach yan.
Hans is pretty amazing holding this far without a coach.
Ay, 7 minutes.
Come on! Fight! Hans fighting back from grappling. Both are holding their grounds. Fight! Both are back. Seems that they regained a little bit of energy from that rest. Ilyam with his balls hurting. But he still chooses to fight. Hans trying to land a kick but failed. Come on. Ilyam constantly pressuring Hans. Not dropping his guard from that kick, okay? Hans with his high guard. So that his face doesn't get hit that easily. Oh, whoa, oh! Here it comes. Woo! Here it comes. Both are trying to land attacks again and again and again. Drop it na yun ah. Whoa! Nice kick from Hans. Oh! Low kick from William. One for yung password. Touch gloves again. Come on. Ilya with an attack that almost hits Hans' face. Faking his attack. Oh, Hans with a barrage. Oh, here comes Ilya's grappling. Oh.
Nice.
And here comes Ilya's grappling.
Hila. Taas ulit, taas ulit.
Both are in the ground. Hans locking Ilya down with his feet.
Nice.
Oh no. And Ilya got the upper hand.
Nice.
Hans is trying to fight back. Nice work from Hans. He escaped. And now he's got the upper hand. Ground and pound from Hans. Ilya guarding up. Reserve. This seems to be really good. Too good to be true for the first round. Both fighters are tired. Ilya mount guard. Ilya trying to fight back. Here it comes. Ilya having the upper hand. Hands fighting back. Oh! No! Oh! Let's go!
In this round, winning in first round by submission. Eliam the Golem Jacinto.
Sir!